What's better than free? When someone gives you money. Oh, I was gonna say something free that's actually good. But yeah, I guess you're right. Anyway, if you're a small creator, business, or even a large YouTuber, and you don't have the YouTube Studio mobile app, you're missing out. Putting it simply, it's a watered down version of YouTube Studio, which is far less overwhelming and complicated, meaning you're way more likely to look at it more often, benefit from it, and grow your channel. So here's our top 10 list of the features you're gonna love about it. Firstly, comments. Staying in touch with your viewers is super important. We'd recommend trying to reply to everyone within 24 hours, but ideally sooner. This is one of the great things about being a small channel. You can provide a personal service the big channels can't. The app's trump card here is notifications are far more reliable than the desktop version, which seems to be delayed a lot when someone comments. Just turn your notifications on and set to receive all, and then you'll get a reliable notification every time there's a comment and you can quickly reply. Number 2, simplified analytics. We think the reason people don't check their data enough is because of the sheer amount YouTube gives you. For the average Joe, it's complex and it's difficult to know what to react to and actually what you're seeing. The main stats you need to care about are watch time, views, and subscribers. When you log into the app, that's exactly what you're met with first. So hit view more and you're provided even more detail, such as the 48-hour view stats of your last 5 published video. It's an efficient way to quickly check up things are going the right way. Your top 10 latest release chart is next. Now this is pretty cool. When you log in, you can see the performance of your last 10 videos. This makes it really easy to see what got traction and what tanked. Number 4, sub to view ratio. Making sure your loyal subs are enjoying your content will be crucial to growing your channel. We made a whole video about that here. Checking this number on a computer is a little annoying. You have to go deep into the analytics and it's just hidden miles away, and who's got time for that, right? On the phone app, it's been brought to the front page of the analytics. It's not as targeted as you can only see the channel overall watch time from subs, not individual videos, but as long as this number keeps going up, then you don't need to panic. Number 5, discovery. It's so important to know where your views come from. Again, on the desktop studio, it's a little complex and all the scary graphs and numbers you provide. The app makes this data analysis easy. You can click individual videos and see where they get their views or your overall channel and see how most of your content gets discovered. It starts with traffic source type on both. Most will be pretty apparent to you, such as suggested views and search. The external options are a little more complicated, but it's got its own little box below, thankfully. This is the one we like to keep an eye on. As a small channel, suggested views are tough to get. We like to drive views from other places like social media or our website, so here's where we can see how effective that has been. When you click to get more details, you might see a surprising list, like how many views you've got on WhatsApp, or you might even find other people have embedded your video on their website. We once found one of our own videos had a 1,200% audience retention. When we tracked it down, we found that this has been embedded on a website that taught Thai people to speak English. They were watching our video over and over again to learn our language. It's crazy what happens online. Then below that, we have the top search terms, another pretty fascinating place to check out. You can change the time frame to suit. Keeping an eye on this will ensure your video ranking strategies are working. What? You don't know how to create videos that rank on YouTube and Google and build your channel? Ay caramba. Check out this card, I can't remember what it is, to master that and slap that like too. Below this, we also get info on where our suggested views are coming from and our top playlists. We'd say all this data is pretty much the most important data, and having it on your phone means you'll peruse it waiting for a train or bored, or let's face it, on the loo. Now, let's do some quick fire features of the app that you're gonna like too. Revenue. If you monetize, then you can hit this to see how rich your videos are making you. Reporting. It's way faster on the app. The view stats are up to date, unlike the website, which is always, miles behind. You also get to see how many views your playlists are getting, which is a lot harder to find on the desktop. In fact, I've not actually found it. Okay, I didn't look that hard because I don't need to. I've got all the info on the app. Then there's edits. You can change your titles, descriptions, and advanced settings in the app. Also, did we mention it's free? So if you've not downloaded it yet, then what's stopping you? We'd still recommend the odd deep dive into your desktop analytics, but for now, keep this on you for times when you have nothing better to do at the very least. It'll help you grow your channel. And if you want to learn how to rank videos on YouTube and Google search, then this playlist here, it was made for you. It could cause videos to build your channels for years, and subscribe. Subscribe for more channel growing tips, tricks, reviews, and production secrets. They're not very secret because we're making videos about them.